in the past that has been issued by the district officials that authorizes us to do relief work. And since the lockdown 2.0, with a positive COVID-19 case in our area, the lockdown has been enforced all the more strictly. So people only with these humanitarian relief passes are allowed to be able to do relief work in this area.
This is Tinku Ravani, a daily wage labourer. He lives with his wife, 2 children and an aged father. Tinku survives hand to mouth. If he works, he is able to feed his family. Tinku has applied for a ration card that allows him to avail government rations. However, it is still pending. This is Kumar Pandit, an elder from the Gulitan village, who approached BCSD to help the widows and daily wage labourers in his area. He says that these are genuine people in need and who have not been able to avail government rations since they do not have government approved ration cards.
Today we have received an SOS call from 2 areas. One is Bedwa and other is Lucknow Mohalla. One of the areas we've had a suspect case of coronavirus where they have picked up and taken to the quarantine zone. We are one part of the town here called Bedwa where the entire area or the village has not been given any sort of ration from the government.
The contact tracing program of the positive COVID-19 cases led to Lucknow Mohalla in Madhupur. This high-risk zone has had a lot of people who have not been able to avail government rations.
These tiny lanes tell a very powerful story. Here we have widows, people with disabilities, where government supplies and food just doesn't reach. Even our vehicles don't come in. We have to carry these rations by hand, go to their houses and give it at their hands. We've just come from visiting a widow whose husband passed away at the Madhupur railway station and she has no one to care for her. So we've taken our rations, gone to her home and given it at her doorsteps.
देखिए कई है जिसका राशन कार्ड नहीं है लेकिन फिर भी गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से ये जारी किया गया है कि जिनका राशन कार्ड नहीं है उन लोगों को भी राशन दिया जाना है। लेकिन ये अफरा तफरी का एक जैसा माहौल उत्पन्न हो गया है कि मतलब फूड आने में लेट हो जा रहा है या कोई जिनके पास राशन है तो वो भी ले रहे हैं, एक पर्टिकुलर जो गरीब आदमी है उस तक नहीं पहुंच पा रहा है। कई तरह के कंडीशन सामने आ रहे हैं। इन लोग ये सैलम स्कूल बहुत ही गरीब ज़रूरतमंद असहाय लोगों के बीच तेज़ी से कदम बढ़ाते हुए हर तरफ अपना मतलब लोगों को राहत कार्य में अनाज वगैरह वितरण कर रहे हैं। ये बहुत ही सराहनीय कदम है सैलम स्कूल का। और सबसे ज़रूरी बात है कि उन्हीं लोगों को अनाज मुहैया कराया जा रहा है सैलम स्कूल के तरफ से जो बिल्कुल नीडी पर्सन है, पुअर है, वैसे लोगों को ही अनाज मुहैया कराया जा रहा है जो काफ़ी काबिल तारीफ़ है। और ऐसे लोगों को इस तरह का इस वैश्विक महामारी में मदद किया जाना काफ़ी सराहनीय है।